Welcome to Canary Oncoceutics, where quality testing leads to better outcomes. We understand the emotional journey our patients are on, and we do everything to minimize uncertainty and get them results as quickly as possible, and with the highest quality available. Founded by distinguished academics from prestigious institutions such as Cornell Medical School, the University of Pennsylvania, and the Cleveland Clinic, Canary Oncoceutics is built on three core principles: quality, patient care, and patient safety. Using cutting-edge next-generation sequencing technology and our proprietary bioinformatics pipeline, our team of PhDs analyze each patient's cancer genomic profile in depth. This allows oncologists to receive the most comprehensive and accurate information, aiding them in achieving the best possible outcomes for their patients. Our reports are highly detailed, yet easy to understand, making them a favorite among oncologists. We also offer molecular genetic support to our physicians, ensuring they have the resources needed for optimal patient care. Despite being US-based and CLIA certified and CAP accredited, our tests are more affordable than comparable options. We maintain exceptional quality by leveraging the latest technologies. Explore our website to learn more about our tests and see how we have helped countless patients achieve better outcomes.